Hi Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 14th to July the 17th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto mo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At may mga readings din po tayo dun, so might as well check on it and subscribe na din. So, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating raffle ng free reading, abangan niyo po ang announcement sa dulo ng video na ito. So, magsimula na tayo, Libra. Libra. So, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang medyo hindi natin mawari ngayon kung kakabahan ba tayo, nag-worry ba tayo, kung mangyayari ba, itong mga gusto natin. Kumbaga meron tayong nais sabihin sa taong ito. I feel like paulit-ulit mo na lang siyang sinasabi, either through words or pinaparating mo yung mensahe, through actions. It could be a request, a demand, a command, a wish, a prayer, what have you. So it felt like meron talaga tayong isang event na gustong mangyari, pero parang no matter how much we try to make it come to fruition, parang hindi siya hindi siya nag-work. So parang ang sinasabing natin dito, should I stop it? Should I continue? Should I move forward? Should I leave it all behind? But it felt like nakakakita ka naman dito ng somewhat hope. When it comes to relationship, you might probably sitting on a fence of, should I continue this connection? Mahal ba ako nitong taong to? Should I stop also giving my time, effort, energy dito sa tao? Should I move forward? With the Nine of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Five of Cups. There are times na siguro sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, bakit kasi binigay ko ang lahat, So, si Daniel Padilla ba yan? At binigay, nasa kanya na ang lahat, pero kasi ang nakita ko dito, Libra, it's more than just the time, the energy, the effort, the love, For a few numbers of you, baka mamaya investing tayo dito ng pera, naglabas tayo ng pera out of our pocket, pinangutang natin ito. There's something in here about an abundance na nakuha sa atin. It might also be our, it's a luxury if you have this peace of mind, diba? So, me personally, I consider it I'm abundant if I have a peace of mind. Kasi it's more than just, it's priceless, hindi mo yung mabibili ng pera. But apart from that, it could also be the money, Pero, yun nga sinasabi ko, pwedeng yung taong to kinuha yung peace of mind mo, I feel like yung wish mo, yung prayers mo, yung gusto mong mangyari, parang sinabi mo dito na, ay hindi ko na lang siya, o iiwan ko na. Parang pinabayaan mo na lang din. Kasi, nandun lang siya sa loop, I think that you are also considering another idea, or humahanap ka ng bagong idea how I can sabihin natin, how can I do, or how can I find another tricks so that I can make it come to fruition. Medyo stress na rin tayo in a way dahil medyo na yung ating pagtulog, apektado na rin. So with the Five of Pentacles, let's clarify that with the Nine of Wands and the Queen of Cups. So parang sa'yo, oh fuck you ka, di ba? Bakit ko sa'yo ibibigay itong dating ako, no? Bakit ko ibibigay ngayon lahat? Kasi I feel like there is somewhat a betrayal of trust. In here, kasi with the Five of Cups, I felt like, okay, bye bitch, no? Um, it felt like this person did something to me, and it, as in return, no, I'm not gonna give you another favor, no, I'm not gonna give you another um chance, to hurt me again, diba? The Five of Cups is clarified by the Page of Swords and the World card, and I feel like this person changed you, no, personally, in a lot of ways. Um, well, there are pros and cons of the changes, no, na binigay nitong person na to. The the I mean, let's go to the pros, no, sa pros. Um, somehow it gives you maturity. It also gives you, or this person also gives you the, kumbaga, yung makiramdam, no? Yung gut feeling, listen to your gut feeling, maging mapanuwi, magmatsyag, no? Protecting yourself also gives you the idea of me first, no? Sarili ko muna because of nangyari, no? Of the traumas. The consequence in here is um, the consequence of what this person gives. Ito yung parang naabuso tayo, 'di ba? Parang naano rin tayo dito na uh, take advantage, yun na somewhat nagkaroon tayo ng walls, na-betray ang trust, no? So parang sa'yo, ang hirap kasing paniwalaan ang isang tao kung, ang hirap ba, pag kunyari ang tiwala para siyang vase, no? Kapag nabasag na, sige pwedeng buuin, pero na makikita mo na yung lamat, makikita mo na yung damage, no? And it's hard to bring back the connection that you both started kung may lamat na, di ba? With the Eight of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Queen of Swords, I feel like meron kang somehow namuo yung galit. No, I don't wanna trigger that galit kasi um, ang nakita ko kasi dito, mas finocus mo yung sarili mo sa work, no? So far, or mas pinili mo yung sarili mo, which is better, no? I feel like with this Two of Swords, underneath, no, ng Queen of Cups, parang somehow ini-stop ko na rin itong pagbibigay ng emotion, no? Like, fuck you, no? Ganun yung galit. Parang merong inis, may angst, no? Kumbaga, with the Queen of Swords in here, na parang, naging nonchalant ngayon si Libra, no? With the Queen of Wands, kasi nagsabi ka na, and the Four of Pentacles. Kumbaga, nagsabi ka na, inano mo na siya, pinaalalahanan, nag-remind, nagbabala, nag-warning, no? But with the Four of Pentacles, parang sa'yo, ay wag na lang, akin na lang muna yung pleasure ko kasi wala naman nangyayari. No? With the Hierophant in here and the Page of Pentacles, I feel like dahil siguro nagbago ka, no? Nagbago din yung ways of either communication mo rin kay person, ways of how you treat this person. I feel like si person na yun medyo napapansin at mapapansin niya talaga dahil when Libra gives emotion, love, attention, no, to the person, talagang damang-dama, ramdam na ramdam. But when Libra stops, no, eto na nga yung sinasabi natin, mas mararamdaman mo din yung absence, no? Um, Ito yung sinasabi natin, medyo nag-disalign, no, nagwe-weigh in si Libra. That's why I said earlier you were sitting on a fence. Kailangan ba aabot pa tayo sa ganito, no? Kailangan, ito yung pinaka parang bottom line dito, no? Na kailangan ba aabot pa tayo sa mainis ako, mabwisit ako, manggigil ako, yung gumawa pa ako ng hindi maganda para lang gawin mo, no? Yung hinihingi ko or yung wish ko, no? Or demands, what have you. Kasi this is a relationship, di ba? I shouldn't beg for what I deserve. Kasi hindi naman kita deprived ng sarili ko, ng emotions ko, ng energy ko. In fact, I have given you everything with the Wheel of Fortune earlier, right? So, Libra, ang sayo dito parang um, moving forward, no? Pinangako mo siguro sa sarili mo na ibibigay ko lang sa'yo kung ano yung natatanggap ko, no? If you're giving me 10% of your time, I'm also gonna give you a dose of your own medicine. So 10%, 10%. So we can call it quits, we can call it equal, no? If you if you contributed in this connection 50%, so by all means 50% then, no? Your energy and time and effort. If you're gonna give me 100%, then much better, no? Probably I can give you more of 100%, pero giving me less, no, I'm not going to settle for that anymore, no. And that old Libra, is a dead no. But I feel like eto nga si person is nagiging, since nakikita niya yung mga changes, I feel like kumbaga nabuhusan mo siya ng malamig na tubig, and I feel like si person ngayon is siya na ngayon yung mag-initiate, no, or gagawa ng move para maibalik naman itong init, no, ng inyong relasyon. So let's see here if this emotion is yours or for your person, no? Is this emotion for Libra? Our love will never cease to exist, and I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. No, as of the moment, the thing, these relationship is a bit complicated, not because of there's a third party. It's complicated because meron ng condition, no? Si Libra. Yun nga, complicated kasi the complication is going to come from you, diba? Kay person. If you're gonna give me, yun nga, 40%, then 41% it is, no? But hindi tayo para, wag naman sana dumating sa part ng separation talaga, no? Kumbaga meron lang tampo si Libra. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Libra, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Pisces, no? Gemini, Scorpio, Cancer, Leo, yan. So, yan po ang iyong reading. So, Libra, paano nga ba sumali sa live? Paano sumali doon sa ating raffle, no? So, kasi ganito yon. Ichichika ko na rin bakit tayo late. Okay? Kasi magkoconnect-connect na yan. Nandun pa rin kasi itong fake account. So, I am receiving few numbers of reports nung nabiktima, no? Okay sana kung nagre-read, pero kung totoong reader yan, hindi yan gagawa ng account, gagayahin yung account ng iba, reading ng iba, yung video ko nandoon. Wala naman din kasing leads na naibibigay. So I'm taking actions on it. Syempre, I need to protect myself. I also need to protect my reputation. Mukha ko yung nandoon, no? So, umaalis tayo, may kinakausap tayong tao, Siyempre, pag umaalis ka, hindi naman ako ganun kabata na, no, napapagod din. So, yon. So, medyo instead na sana nakafocus tayo dito sa readings, nalilate tayo, no? Naliletse itong, ano natin, schedules. So, it requires a massive report, no? Um, Nasa description box po yung link na pwede nyo i-report and then take a screenshot of it. Tapos, sa baba ng link, nandun din po yung email. I created a specific email para dun nyo ilalagay or isasend yung screenshot, no? I'm going to consider one screenshot, one entry. Pero may rules naman yun, no? Kung 3 beses nga kayong nag-report, pero at one specific time, let's say 11 o'clock, tapos 3, I'm gonna consider it just one entry, no? Pero kung iba-ibang time naman, one entry, different time, no? How many times you reported, that's how many times the entry is. So, pag nagapi na yan, that's the time bubunot ako for the winner. And when I say it's free, no? Wala tayong babayaran, no? Or walang kahit donation, what have you. So, Libra, tulong nyo na yun sa akin para makapag nasa tama ang schedule natin, no? Feeling ko magkakasakit na ako, uuulan sa labas, no? Isa pa yan. Tulong nyo na rin sa sarili ninyo para at least makuha nyo yung reading on time. Tulong nyo na rin sa ibang tao na future, no? Baka mabiktima pa niyan. In return, no? It's a free reading. So this is your reading, Libra. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung di niyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon po, kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box din nandun yung aking link, no? Doon lang po ako magta-transact, no? Nandun po yung number, name. So pag hindi yun nag-match at may kumokontak sa inyo, you can use that as a reference. Pag hindi yun nag-match, hindi po ako yun. I'm not affiliated with anyone, no? Pag hindi yun yung number, hindi yun yung name, huwag yun ang i-entertain. How much per question, QR codes, no, nandun po yan. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. So you can take advantage of that. And kung urgent naman po, no, ang inyong reading, you can, or if you want to avail our private reading, nandun din siya sa description box, pakihanap na lang. Ano? So yan po ang inyong reading, Libra. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.